So I have this stock of asphalt millings that was delivered to me some time ago. And I've already been bringing some of that material up toward the front of the driveway by the road, where the culvert is and whatnot, to fill in the area there. And I'm also using the tractor to bring that material to specific places on the driveway where it's needed. All right, here I am hauling some of my needed crushed asphalt with the dump truck. Got 9.5 tons in there. This was 8 tons right here. And it's pretty awesome because it's not very far away, and getting it myself is just a little over half price. So I'm pretty happy about that. I don't know how many loads it'll take. There it is, load number 2, 9.5 tons in that truck. It's doing very well. I know I'm kind of weird, but there's something about the sound of that material coming out of the truck that I find kind of therapeutic. All right, time to use the blade to spread the material. Okay, some more spreading, filling, and smoothing, but it's looking pretty good, and we'll get this done. If too much material gets too close to the grass line there, I need the tractor to redistribute the material a bit, because the blade of the excavator will just push it onto the lawn too far. So I just posted a video of my new Land Pride GS 1572 72-inch land plane, and this is my first use of it, and it is proving to be extremely useful. I'm actually quite surprised. A little big for my small tractor, but wow, is it effective at smoothing things out in this kind of application. The little gaps are filled in, and take a few passes and it transforms the bumpy surface quite amazingly. So far I'm super pleased. Well, there's more material fine-tuning to be done, but things are looking pretty good right now. So we'll wrap up this video and see you next time.